We're gonna open this package from Japan. Japan. That's the package. FedEx got it to my name, something address. Okay, still wrapped up. We're gonna do a opening and see what contained in it. Are we recording? Yes, we are. Same package. Shape label. Go to this and here. Everything from Japan, the boxes is quite flimsy. That's the package, set aside. That's the package. And open still, save the, well, what do I do? I have to go to the bottom. But not this time. Man, they arrived early. Cable. Okay. Intact station manual. Original. Yeah. Looking nice. It's my bill of sale, I believe. With my name on it. It's very looking nice and packed. Yep, nothing else. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna go to the car. Hook it up with the car battery. That's the only quickest, fastest access to the 12 volt power. I'm gonna do it from the inside. Ooh. Quite nice. Let's see. Going down. Inside, internal. Yeah, man, this is like almost brand new. It's almost brand new, I can say. Brand new. Oh, yeah. Click. This is click down to drop. Lock. Look like the track has been loosened up. Ooh. Nice. Drag on. Tighter. Okay. Nice. Really nice. $260 something, including shipping. $240 was asking, pay price, shipping $20, and tax much possibly. Really nice. Check out the handle, see if it's making any. Let's see. It's kind of got some play right here. No, not really. If I tied it down, yeah, still play. Still got that motion in and out like that. Down. fish. Check out this one. This gotta be the brick. I think it's gotta be the brick. I don't know what this is. Sorry guys, from the angle you won't be able to see on this side. Let's screw in this one, tight it down. Not sure what the heck that is. Oh yeah. Yep. That is the spool brick. This will let you drop it in the water fast or slow depending on this one. On this thing right here. It's called the spool brick. Nice. Nice. Yep. Careful not to have that thing too loose. Okay, later on I'm gonna check first all this electronic stuff here, mechanical. I think it's alright. Let me see. It's alright. Oh. Up please. Okay. I'm having hiccup. Ooh, I hit up and it's not going up. I hit up and it's not going up. Oh no. Something wrong. Up, not going up. Down, not going down. This thing doesn't wanna turn. Okay. Down is mean line going out, okay? Up is mean lock. Okay, the spool is tight. Okay. Oh, jam. We got a jam. Already. Up and down, jam. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Oh man. Let me put this reel away. Shipping number. Tracking number. Boy. 772082458391. Oh, Kazuto. Mr. Kazuto. This thing not supposed to be like that. Oh man. And it's not going. It was working fine, but it's got some hiccup already. This is not good. I'm gonna stop the video. It's got nothing to do with this brick here, okay? Nothing to do with this one. And it doesn't want to go. Down doesn't want to go. Up this one gonna go. Down this way not gonna go. The spool is turning. Hey, okay, we got some jam. I'm turning off the video here. Gotcha, dang it. Oh man. It's gonna be late for my fishing trip. This look brand new. Oh. I heard something. Shit, I ain't even doing anything forcefully to it. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna turn off the video. Dang it. That's sad. That is sad. Really sad. Bummer. We're gonna find out. Again, we just opened this whole package